Simple English questions and answers. 1. Question: What is your name? Answer: My name is John. 2. Question: How old are you? Answer: I am 20 years old. 3. Question: Where do you live? Answer: I live in a small town. 4. Question: What is your favorite food? Answer: My favorite food is pizza. 5. Question: What time do you wake up? Answer: I wake up at 6 a.m. 6. Question: Do you like music? Answer: Yes, I like music. 7. Question: Can you swim? Answer: Yes, I can swim. 8. Question: What is your hobby? Answer: My hobby is reading books. 9. Question: Do you have a pet? Answer: No, I don't have a pet. 10. Question: What is your favorite color? Answer: My favorite color is blue. 11. Question: Do you like to travel? Answer: Yes, I like to travel. 12. Question: What do you drink in the morning? Answer: I drink tea in the morning. 13. Question: Do you play sports? Answer: Yes, I play football. 14. Question: What is your favorite movie? Answer: My favorite movie is an action movie. 15. Question: Can you speak English? Answer: Yes, I can speak English. 16. Question: What do you do on weekends? Answer: I relax and watch TV. 17. Question: Do you like reading? Answer: Yes, I like reading. 18. Question: What is your favorite fruit? Answer: My favorite fruit is mango. 19. Question: Are you happy today? Answer: Yes, I am happy today. 20. Question: Do you like animals? Answer: Yes, I like animals.